Pay him as much. I think, what is it, $20 a month or something like that?
Something like that, yeah.
Charge any interest?
Nope, no interest.
What? Kelly,
So
what?
that's what we might
I
do.
said now there's a red light on.
Why don't they charge you?
Now it's off.
It's just they're having this, I don't know. Donnie, why
Yeah?
doesn't he charge interest on that Whirlpool financing?
Whirlpool just doesn't charge
Oh,
interest.
they just don't charge it. No interest.
Kelly, Kelly,
What?
Well,
let me have a big smile.
What?
Come on. Let me see a smile.
$200.
No, I'm not taping. I would just want to cue it up and see how good it's gonna.
$1,100. That'd be 5 years.
Kelly,
What?
Kelly.
How much do you
Donnie.
have to pay?
For what?
How much do you have to pay a month on it?
On what, this?
Yeah,
I don't know. They work out something.
that's what I thought.
Yep, pretty nice.
It really is. I like those too.
Are you taping?
No.
Come on. Reggie. Come on, see. Well, come on.
Told you I'm not.
I don't believe you.
We're getting excited. We're getting excited.
Get back! He's behind the chair. Oh, Reggie, no, that's yours.
I'm just looking. I'm trying the backlighting. No, look this way so I see.
Cal, look at him so he can get it tested
I
out.
don't want him to tape.
You know, once it's on TV, you just love it.
It's your birthday, you have to be honest.
That's right.
I've been on it.
So does your big sister Connie. Smile, Con. See, look, Con's not hiding her face.
She never could handle it. Picture taking. Yeah, we'll have to get one. Pretty nice.
They are really nice.
Reggie's running. Oh no, don't eat me, don't eat me.
Oh, car
See, Kelly, you got a pretty smile.
Oh, I get it.
Don't you want the whole world to see it? Uh-oh. Got a mad dog wild in the house.
Dog's up. Not real hard. It hurts teeth. Don't pull them.
Oh, they're here. They're really super. I
No, I don't believe you now.
Look.
I don't believe you.
They're here.
We're not buying that.
They're here. You guys are just gonna make you know this.
Yes, Kelly.
They're really here. I'll show you.
Get a picture when they come in, Donnie.
Oh no, Matt, it's a good way to bless his dad's camera.
No, I heard a door slam.
It's
Kelly,
really
would you close that for me, please?
What?
The case.
Yeah.
Just to be careful. Hey, Reg. What's up, big guy? Nope. He don't want to have nothing to do with it either.
Okay, ready? Let's do a trick.
We're outside? I don't think so.
That door will be open.
I think they're pretty close to home, Connie.
Well, we got a fenced-in
Kelly?
yard, so.
Oh, I guess.
Now are you taping?
Yeah.
No, I'm gonna wait till they walk in the door, okay?
Yeah, don't get Reggie all riled up. Who's this?
Oh, we've got a star here.
See, Grandma pose for you.
There.
Reg.
How you been doing?
Huh?
How you been doing?
Good, how are you?
Oh, I don't know if I can complain.
Uh,
Oh,
Come on, come
Boy,
on,
I got
good boy.
You know, I thought of it.
Let him go.
Who knows what?
Let him go.
Now, are you taping?
Next week.
Yeah, don't do
Oh,
that
yeah, you
now.
never know.
I'll get you bad.
No.
Yeah, it was Alan one day. What was that? Friday? I think.
Oh,
Oh dear.
A new toy.
Pictures of you.
Yep.
He just got it today.
One thing, oh, he's going a little crazy. Oh boy. Why?
Well, there. Well, you are the cutest little thing.
How you doing, Dad?
Are you recording?
No, of course not.
She really lives in the boondocks. Oh, he is cute. Is that right? How do you like her, Ken?
Okay.
Good. All over sticky dip
Yeah.
stuff?
Yeah.
They don't need all that room right yet.
More
Maybe
meat?
someday they will. Oh my gosh.
We'll have two.
Oh, that.
That Dustin is a two Sharon.
Yeah, he just had a birthday.
Oh, did he? It's two, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's two going on 20. You know.
Hey,
He is so cute.
I see somebody hiding behind that pole there. Oh,
Oh,
What a chicken! What a chicken! No! Hey,
Oh.
you don't do that, Reggie. Reggie, you
got
don't do that.
Oh,
Oh,
here,
my.
hang in there, in there.
Yeah.
Did she do her hair all by herself?
Yes. Oh,
Not
that
here.
is really cute.
Don't even got him
Talented.
down.
Take that for granted.
Here's one right here. Here you go, Dad.
What is it? Oh, that's 1,000.
This?
Sears?
Yeah.
Oh, no. Don't get it in the Sears, then
Oh,
you'll
there's
charge it.
Oh, you guys gotta charge us this?
well, how you like that new car?
Oh, honey.
No, no, Reggie.
great.
Cute. Hey, let him take
I
the picture. Why
know.
you look good?
I know that's
That's
what
what he's telling her. It's your birthday. You had to take a picture.
Did you want a coffee or anything?
Oh, that was a good
I
picture.
assume there's a cake.
You took that?
It's gonna be
We
11.
couldn't.
Reggie, what is that?
Watch Reggie.
Interesting.
Reggie, it's a dark milk.
Watch.
Watch out, man.
Maybe he likes her now.
Talk to him, Con.
Reg, look at the doll, Reg.
Oh, Reggie. Oh, Reggie.
It's behind the pole. There he is.
Well, that's pretty nice, isn't it? You
Oh,
take
Reggie.
that out to our
That's
our
Reggie.
It doesn't look like
You just
oh,
plug it in.
I'm not sure.
That's great.
Come here,
You
Reg.
seen that crazy dog when she first got the dog?
Oh, there. She's
Thing
right
like
there.
that.
Barking
There.
at
Growl
Right
at
over
it.
there. No, she
Come here, Reg.
doesn't.
He doesn't seem to mind it too bad.
You know, it looks like
Hi,
people,
Reg.
but he knows it's not.
Different, yeah.
Come here, Reg.
Oh,
Does she sit?
Like, yeah. But you have to kind of push her up because she,
That's the way Kathy's
She
doll
stands up.
was. You had to be careful of.
Well, this one here
doesn't care
says,
No?
see, she's okay. He's a
Oh.
big-
Oh. Oh, some livestock, man.
You don't think
Barking.
you don't think they'll start fighting the girls, do you?
No, I don't know what that is.
He just saw it
animated
sitting there.
movement, like, you know, when it-
Yeah. I guess it just
This is
doesn't
pretty
scare
nice.
him. Fran, you lost some weight?
No.
Oh, is that thing saying something? Is that recording?
I don't
Be
know.
careful
Yeah.
what it
You gotta be sure to show it to the whole
You
family.
came across weight since I seen you.
Yeah, probably a few pounds. They work
Reggie,
me to
no,
death
no.
there at school.
I'm just, huh?
They're
Reg.
working me to death at school.
Hi.
Oh, really?
Hi, little boy.
Make him sit pretty.
Have you lost?
Sit. Reggie, sit. Sit. Sit.
No,
It's too close. Sit.
Come here.
Reggie, sit pretty. Come on.
Come here, after all that eating at Kathy's, huh?
Come here, Reg.
Sit pretty.
Look,
Oh,
Reggie,
it's such a
nice.
good
Look,
boy.
come here. Look what I got.
We
Look
were
at
there
here.
all long enough.
Sit.
to eat out
Sit
almost
pretty.
all week.
Keep him there, Con. Keep him there. I'm zooming on him.
Well,
Sit pretty. You sit pretty.
Had one dinner.
Oh,
Sit
good
pretty.
boy.
Wave. Wave to me.
Really?
Wave to me. Wave.
You guys were there quite a while too, weren't you?
Oh, he's a
10
good
days?
boy.
Dad,
He's only gone 9.
have I showed you his trick which hand?
How'd you like that, trainer?
Let's see if he'll do it.
It was
Sit.
pretty good.
I want you to sit. See the ball? See the
Georgie
ball?
hadn't laid there and snored too
See
much.
the ball?
Oh, they had a bed on it? No?
Sniff them. Sniff them.
No, it made-
You're
it was
cheating.
nice.
Sniff them.
look at Luke checking both hands.
Which
What are
one?
you looking for?
You got the right one.
That's right. He does which hand, huh?
Pretty cute.
How old is he now?
Almost 2 years old.
Oh my, he's full grown.
Yeah.
He's a nice son.
Yeah.
A ginger should be that size.
After the birthday cake.
Hey.
Oh, I like her hair that she did it all by herself.
It needs a cut. We were gonna take her and get her hair cut
Oh,
Friday, but the place was closed by the time we got.
it's real cute.
Thank you.
He's taping, Grandma. Watch it.
He's taking
Here's what I want for Christmas now.
Only $999.99.
What is it?
Camera.
Cameras.
Well, that's cheap.
Is that the one right there?
Well, this sounds like it's doing everything that Red does. I haven't looked at it. This is nice.
Well, you could charge it.
I owe too much right now. How much is this? How much is good for?
Okay.
That's how much?
That on sale.
Yeah, it's $290 off.
$1,000.
$1,000.
You want
Where's
this?
it at?
He wants this one.
Where?
Sears.
Oh.
Make it.
Well, I couldn't.
Sniff them both,
said
Reg.
99.
You go out
Oh,
there.
that would be nice.
He's tired.
Right,
He might
you
go
go
there
out
with
there
that.
and you
Well-
can buy the same thing.
Daddy.
Yeah.
Maybe just don't take it.
Here, let me do it.
Yeah.
Where's
They
it?
have,
Well,
That ain't-
I'll find out about
Here,
that.
wait.
Oh, yeah?
Check one.
Financing it.
Okay, are you ready?
Exactly, you know.
Now sniff both hands. Sniff them both.
Nick could get you a discount anyway.
Sniff them both.
Gets discount at Sears.
how much you get?
Some both.
That's $100.
Yep, sure is.
Over here, right there.
Get
Some
one for
both.
$900. You can get this for me for $900. We're saving you money on that.
That'll be your, the next 10 years Christmas presents all I can.
That's why-
This year.
Well, let's see. How long is this book good for? Huh?
Isn't it Christmas book?
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
a Christmas
So it's probably till January, February.
Yeah, January.
I was hoping maybe for March.
Oh, James.
Oh, for your birthday.
Oh no, just.
Oh no, yours
Well, I tell you,
Especially when the kids are young.
you wait
They'll
till
have
after
money for
Christmas.
it.
No,
I think
no,
might be down more yet. 'Cause
Yeah.
have
They're
one
coming
there.
down.
After Christmas.
Yeah.
They sell a lot of that stuff.
Which
just
one?
the day
Which
before
one?
Christmas, after Christmas, rather than pack it away.
You are right.
Great. I try to not to buy
Matt.
anything at full price anymore. It's just very
Reggie.
irritating when you go back
And then it's on
Not
sale.
here.
Yeah, I got her. because she got
Let me have it.
cute things.
Matt,
Well, you know,
you might want to get that away from him. I might eat
She's
it.
getting into
20% before the sale, so then they mark it down 10%.
Reggie.
Starting to grow a little bit now.
They'll tell you that.
If these don't
I've seen them do it on some tables we bought one time.
with what
Get him to
they
turn his head, Tom.
are,
Reggie.
let's
Reggie,
get her
Reggie.
a bigger. You know,
Turn your head.
saw some cans
Look at Donnie. You give me it. Drop it right now.
too long
Drop
for
it.
her.
Wouldn't it?
Who wants cake and ice cream?
Ginger don't drop it.
So long, you know, I hold
Hey
her
Donnie,
feet,
this one
you
says
know,
that the Element delivers
Yeah.
350 lines
They
of
were
resolution.
That's good, isn't it?
That's good. That's
Hey,
real
Ray,
good.
well, let's have cake and ice cream.
That makes it so you're.
I think it's just a
Be able to take it out, so 4.2 pounds.
Okay.
Oh,
I can do it.
what's been a trick candle, huh?
Capable.
Pretty good.
Okay.
You wish $1 million for it?
No,
You wish. Oh.
Okay, cake and ice cream. Did you guys want coffee?
You want coffee,
I
Donnie?
don't want any.
Sure, I can take a cup of coffee.
Oh. Peter's your birthday?
Which hand is red?
Yeah, I know, he gets my hands too. Donnie wants coffee.
Okay. What did you take?
I don't want anything.
Now we're Thursday.
Can I open them while they're eating?
Yeah.
Kelly, can I open them while they're eating?
He's so cute.
Oh,
wait,
no.
done.
Both her cats, but they're gonna get 4 more.
Let me turn that TV up.
Now feeding 4 cats outside, 4 new, a family really, a mother and 2 kittens and a male.
No.
You don't need this.
Kathy said, I don't know how I get into this, you know what? Dave started feeding the one cat, then the
Reggie,
others.
smile.
They're really pretty.
Oh, it wasn't ready. Wasn't ready. Reggie, it wasn't
See the
ready.
kitty in the picture? See that kitty?
See, I don't care.
Oh, who's that from, Connie?
Kelly and Danny.
Her cats are really pretty.
No. Can't eat the picture.
I want to save the bows.
Okay.
Come on, dog, stop scratching.
Poor Red. He said, who's calling me?
Hey, Reggie.
Did you have your cake?
He liked his cake.
Boy, it would be
guy.
nice to have a dog again.
Tim had
Yeah.
such dry
Oh, he's a
skin.
good size.
Yeah, he's a nice size. He's
Ah,
not
good.
too little, and he's a good dog.
He's a 30-pounder.
Get one
He
the
went
size of ours,
through,
and
he
then you
went
always
through
see.
stages, you know.
Yeah.
Ours only
Well, he
weighs
included.
Oh, yeah.
That's nice.
But then he was home alone.
Yeah. And now I'm always there, so.
If we did, we'd get one like the beginning of when school was just ready to get out, a puppy, and then I'd have all summer to be home with something. What is
Their
it?
tape.
Kelly? Gotta undo the tape.
You know she does that.
Reggie,
I didn't even rap.
now we got one.
Yeah. He's a movie star.
He's such a ham.
You want to talk? Want to talk a little? Talk a little. Talk. Talk a
He
little.
must get his picture taken along.
Easy talking.
Ooh.
Oh,
Look
boy,
at that.
all ready.
I don't know if it's gonna fit though.
Oh,
Try
so
it
try
out.
that. Is it a long-waisted?
It's
What size is it?
it's a 10.
Well, that's what I got, and
It
by
is a
golly,
long-waisted though. Look at how long the waist. I think it's
I'm
a long-
beginning to wonder myself.
She can
This
try
is
it.
getting into a
That I
12.
told you, remember?
Brett says, what's that?
Oh, that's really
Yeah.
cute.
And it has 14, but it looks really, really big.
Yeah, well, I think this is long-waisted. Oh, is that ever cute, Kelly? Oh, gonna turn.
Oh.
Ooh, and a little.
Oh, it's here. Okay.
I
Yeah.
don't know if that makes
You have to try them on, huh? This is beautiful.
That's a 12. That one
I did her a 12 in a sweater too, even a 12. 14.
Yeah. Beautiful. Let me see that. What do you say?
was. Get the camera on.
Okay. Okay, here's the bundle right here.
Oh, that's pretty.
I didn't wrap.
And
They
then
had the prettiest
Yeah.
sweater at Big Wheel when we were Friday. It was white with a purple stripe and a green stripe. It's surprising those two colors together, but it really was sharp. Yeah, this is really pretty.
Oh, and these are for me.
Boy.
Those are the cutest darn
Oh.
pajamas you ever seen.
Oh,
do you have legs? Oh,
Isn't that
They
nice?
got a flap. Look at the flap down the back, see? They pull down.
Oh,
They had to take them
It
off.
comes
oh,
down.
cute. That's neat.
I hope they're big
I
enough.
love pajamas like that. You got pajamas like that? Oh, the girls can't.
How simply.
you want to see these? I'm capable, Matt.
Oh, here's
Oh.
your Grundy.
Oh, new Grundy. Wonderful.
Ooh, Mom.
Oh, that's
Another dress.
Beautiful. What size is that? A 10?
10.
That one looks a lot bigger than that 10.
Oh, you can't go by size. Some 10s I couldn't have brought her home. I think they would have been down to my ankles.
Yeah, well, this is a long-waisted
pretty.
one though, Connie. It's pretty too, isn't it?
Yeah.
Just
Oh,
what
and
she
another
needed.
one.
Oh,
Yeah.
great. Yeah, she didn't have any church clothes. Just that sweater. Matt, that's
Are you happy, Kelly?
Yes.
Oh.
Better be.
Yes. Oh, yeah. Beautiful. And a new slip. Good. Is that bigger than the other one?
That's a 10.
What size was the other one?
That's all you can turn it off now.
Well, I don't
Now you
know.
have to go try
That
all of
looks
these
like
on.
it'd be big enough.
And remember,
Give me a big
I
smile,
will change
Reggie.
anything she
Yeah.
can't wear.
Big smile, Reg.
Then you have to-
I just think that's long-waisted.
Oh, that's
Hi, boy.
really
The
cute,
skirt
Connie.
looks shorter.
Can't tell.
Isn't that
She's
cute?
right, That's darling.
Yeah, Kelly, go try them
all
on
those
and
on.
let's see what they look like.
They're all kind of old fat. Yeah, we'll have.
I like those.
Wait a minute, Connie. Wait, honey. I don't mean Connie,
Kelly.
Kelly. Oh, well, okay.
What do you tell
Grandma
Grandma?
Crosby?
Oh, yeah. Oh, my God. What do you tell Grandma then?
Here's
Oh.
your, wait a minute now, wait.
Kelly,
Now
I get my
these-
boxes back.
These are from Iowa. Oh, and here's one.
Say, Kelly Street, Matt Road.
Kelly.
Oh,
I've had it for a while.
Matt Road.
I've had this for a while, and I tried it again, and I just can't. I think it'll be just right for her.
Oh, that's
It's
nice.
a funny size.
No, it's too small?
Even. Oh yeah, it's down here that it's.
Short.
I don't know, but anyhow, here. honey.
Oh,
Kelly
okay.
Street and Matt Road.
Yeah, isn't it cute?
Wow.
Here, Cal. I did wrap one.
Reggie, are you looking for a present?
Being nosy.
I thought maybe.
Will you hand me that box, Kelly?
Oh, Matt. Matt, aren't you cute?
Grandma, do you want your boxes?
No, honey, I thought maybe she, aren't they nuts?
Okay, well, you- do you want some, Connie?
I'm gonna take
Yeah.
I got an
Yeah.
uncle.
For Christmas.
That was
Oh,
big.
my uncle's mother, up to that Dickinson's house.
Let me see, what was it?
I got $30.
Wow.
Yeah, but what was in that?
The bookmark.
Oh.
Reggie, checking out the clothes? Reggie?
Rayanne, you gotta come to me. You're younger.
Wait a minute.
I remember when you was little, you borrowed some money. I want it back. Keep with them, $30.
Oh,
$31.50 now for Hampton Square Mall.
Oh,
Yeah.
Right, you're going
You're
shopping.
right on the
Should I
line.
have
Roller skating.
That water? You're right on the,
You
you're
know,
right on the check. No.
Mom and Dad,
Yeah, I can't.
whenever you spend money.
Look
Oh,
at
yeah.
that.
I stopped to pay my
Is
way.
that the cat bed?
Open the other one.
That's
honey.
Connie, did you see that cat's
Open
bed
it.
in the drawer?
that's, on their bathroom.
Let me see these.
That's on their stairway,
Fine.
down.
Oh, isn't that?
Matt, here,
There's
a bookmark.
I took right out through this.
Yeah, I hadn't given him
door.
that.
that's some beer, yeah.
That's the,
Window wall, or window,
yeah, that's
in her living room?
in their living room. And here's another door. That's out
Garage.
the free throw.
Oh, we got a little patio.
Yeah, well, that's a furnace room down
Is that those new cats?
there. This one wouldn't come out. I had some film, couldn't come
You know,
out.
Amy Grant, Sandy Panty, kind
Oh,
of.
that's nice.
And there's our boat. We took the ride.
Oh, is that a
That
what?
first picture.
Sandy Panty's
Sandy
two of
Patty
them.
Tate?
Two of them, Dad.
Yeah, she's
Oh.
pretty.
That's the one I've been
There's-
wanting for a long time.
Yeah?
The other one, I don't know what it is, I just,
That's down there stairs.
Oh, that's nice.
anyhow,
Well, that's
one she
good.
didn't have, they're
Yeah.
both ones she didn't
The
have.
front door comes in right here, right down them steps.
Checking them out, Con?
Yes. These are so neat.
Yeah.
The
I'm
cat.
sorry, honey, you'll never
Yeah,
make
yellow.
it into
know.
here. Here, get
Oh, yeah.
Now it
he gives quite a lot.
Boy, they got a nice
Mom.
house, don't they?
I think
Mom.
yours has to go out, Donnie.
Do you have to
Diane.
use the toilet?
Mom.
There's another picture down in there.
You
Nice.
got somebody help you in the baby shower?
Family
For a
room.
while.
Mom,
That's about 28 foot in that wall. The
stay
outside,
for a
I think
week.
18 feet deep.
Like, get adjusted. and
That
stuff.
was the first night we got.
It's not like.
Got
The
right
minute we
in the
opened it-
suitcase.
The minute we opened the suitcase, you know how that cat always was, you went in there long.
Yeah.
We started our
Come over and flop flop like that.
baby class.
Oh, they changed when
Last
they
week
moved
was our
up.
first one. They took us on a
Yeah.
tour Thursday.
Here's Dorothy, I didn't want trying to get her.
The labor
We
room
always
and delivery
known
room and
last year.
everything.
Yeah.
I can run up there 200 feet.
That's pretty nice.
Wow,
And
that
that's
is
Kathy
neat.
standing up there.
Reggie,
Kelly,
go outside.
Yeah.
are
You
you
go
trying
outside?
on the clothes?
Do you wanna go outside?
Well, I want you to come try on these dresses.
You can tell how that.
Honey, wait, he's doing,
I know.
How people stand.
You better let him out. Cause
Reg,
you don't
go
listen to
outside.
you. I mean to me.
Just
Will
go
he be
outside.
okay if I let him just go out?
Well, I wanted Donnie to watch him.
Yeah, he might not be, he gets out, he gets on a trail or something.
This was in the
Wood's a big place.
So let him
I got it,
Oh.
okay. Just give me a minute.
Go try these on, pal.
Let me zoom in on you.
Yeah, he's scratching. He wants out. He's
real pretty. Come on over here by the.
Yeah, that ain't got too long to go.
How does it seem to?
You know what?
Well, that looks nice.
If she needed it later, maybe you could add a
Twirl around.
length
If
of
it
lace
is,
around the bottom.
Is it supposed to go down lower?
No, I think that's all right, don't
Yeah. You gonna give us a preview of your other dresses now?
Yes, she has.
Yeah.
Oh.
We stopped there on the road.
Oh, Reggie, you forgot about him.
Uh-huh.
Got pulled up the back, I was
Forgot about the wedge, you know?
I know.
See out there?
We didn't say much, so we told him we just want to take the picture.
Maybe you call him, Connie.
That looks
Here's
nice
Bill,
too.
Yeah, let me see.
Come on, over here.
Got out there and back.
What do you think?
Well,
wow.
I like it by her knees.
Well, it's 16.
I'll tell you
Turn
something,
around.
those ones I looked
Now,
at,
there's another picture of their house.
I'll bet
Yeah.
You got it tied?
Or the
Let
other
me see.
ones. I didn't bring them because I thought they'd be too long, but that don't look.
The window there.
Wonder she puts in.
I hate to have her outgrowing in them.
Yeah, me too.
Well, no, in their-
Oh, what
their
you have to
bathroom.
do with those things, very good.
That was.
Wonder how-
They had some real
That
cute
bathroom was
ones.
so
How
big,
much farther would
no
the
way
fall
you
come
could
down?
get a picture.
They had some Tims that were longer
Yeah,
than
it's up in
this.
their store.
Oh, did it?
Yeah.
Like an old-fashioned style.
There's your kitchen.
Mm.
That's
That
one
guy
half
hit
of it,
one
then I had
of
to take the other half.
Yeah, I think.
Yeah,
that-
it's got a pretty big
Over
The
now.
same color? Oh, that come down.
Couple
there.
inches.
Yeah, and if it shows where it comes around, you can
And that's,
stitch a piece of lace
that's
all the
where
way
they go
around
down
and
the
you cover the,
Mhm.
I don't know though, whatever you think.
Well, just
I
like
ju-
a
I
hem
don't
on it.
mind.
Well, what do you think about the other one? Because the other one doesn't have a hem.
Done it?
I can,
Well,
there was a
they get like
14
that.
there,
Huh?
but I just didn't know if it'd be too big. There was
What?
Is
a,
that a 10?
Yeah.
Maybe she's getting into a 12.
If they're
Because there
getting
was a
above her
10.
knees, I don't want her wearing.
Oh.
because there was a 10 and a 14, that's all they
When she
had.
bends
Here's
over
that
now, the back goes right up her leg.
That's what's
all
that?
covered.
That's a 10 that she would grade with.
14.
Kelly, don't use that red caper cord.
I
It's
know,
up to
it might be
date.
just,
I know.
But they only had a 10 and a 14 and
but
that
even I saw 10, I got these hats and they had 10s that were another 2 inches longer than that, see, but it was the 10 from the bottom, but it was longer and I thought it could
That's
be
the
longer,
living
but I don't think it was.
Dorothy is standing.
No.
beside
Now,
it.
I don't mind changing anything, I go out this week to change
There,
it.
and then there's a 7-foot here.
And they had
Well,
some
you know,
cute as
if
they
Mom
were.
was to let that hem down right now, I don't think it'd have
It
any
is,
crease.
13
That's an
feet.
idea. Yeah, that's an idea.
That's yours.
It wouldn't have a big crease because it's limited. She could iron it
Yeah.
right
She
out.
can't bend over in that though
This is
without
out
it
there,
going
you
right
so
up her
tight, like
thighs.
freeze.
Yeah,
They got their fan out there, and it's the roof.
that's a nice one.
Oh, whenever.
Yeah, but they had some.
She's doing a Rudy.
You got an inch,
You wash
Oh,
it.
born in it.
2-inch hem?
This is.
Yeah, and she took the hem out right away. Couldn't see the crease.
And
Just couldn't iron the crease right out of it.
Oh, you.
It's a
I'm not
set.
sure about that underwear
Because the shirt
either.
is fine.
Just
Yeah, but it comes in the set. I gotta take it. You can keep this unless you want me
It's
to.
a 12.
Can you
Maybe you
grab
ought
it?
to take it too, Connie, in case you couldn't get the same color.
Yeah.
Slip too, maybe the slip is too.
Maybe she's into, do you
Well,
think
what
12?
size do you think she should get? 2 more sizes, or 1, or what?
Do you think a 14's gonna be too big in the waist? In that?
14 might be too.
Yeah.
Because that's a 12.
That's a 14 on
Yeah,
it.
but this is a knit outfit. That makes a difference. And that's supposed to be a short skirt, I think, don't you?
Yeah.
Maybe it is.
Well, I think a 12 would probably.
That is a 12.
Oh,
This is
A 14.
14? Because the sweater can be big in it. Kelly, you better not.
I don't know.
Or would you
Sweater's
rather
not
have,
bad, is
Because I don't
it? Maybe the
stretch now.
sweater's big enough.
It is.
The skirt.
I can just switch the skirt with the, keep the sweater and the bigger skirt.
Is it, was this an outfit or did
Yeah.
you get them
Just
separate?
that.
Oh.
That's
That
really
collar looks
pretty.
kind of funny though, doesn't it? Doesn't look kind of one
Let me
size shorter.
see.
That's the way those shirts we got are just like that. It must be a style then, because
One size bigger than
that's the way we got shirts for the cadet program, and they're the exact same way.
Let me see.
One
that
is
looks
bigger.
dumb.
It don't
Yeah,
look
that-
like it should be like that.
Shirts like that.
I thought that's
I
exact.
don't think it's supposed to be. Maybe it's like a second or something.
No, I don't know, that's the way both the Rod and my shirts were from that
Let me
company.
see.
I show you.
Kelly Range.
Ooh, sorry.
She got that other
Oh,
dress.
here, why don't you try this on? Because Grandma doesn't know if it's the right size.
That's a colonial.
What size are the underwear?
Actually, what size this one is?
I don't think it is.
You want these?
Bigger.
Yeah.
These are 12s.
The pants are 12s, and what were the undershirts?
Camisole.
Was that a 12?
What?
Yeah.
What do you say?
As we're trying to see.
Kelly needs nothing for her birthday. Take everything back.
So it needs a bigger size?
No, this is.
No,
That's
well,
fine.
Well, here.
Rough day.
Here's a picture.
Kind of frustrating for us,
You see him in that.
especially a young one.
Yeah.
It's that place. But they got 7 columns. And they make all of them.
7 what?
Columns. 25 columns.
Daddy, you didn't take over Joe's stuff.
Is this like one of those what do you want for Christmas kind of questions?
I don't know, what does it mean to you?
I don't know.
Does it mean that it's a chance for grown-ups to get to act like kids again?
Well, I don't like you doing this. Get me off that camera.